If you forgot the password to your OPPO Reno 15 and now you cannot unlock the phone, what you can do is you can perform factory reset or hard reset of the phone. Of course, as a result, you will lose everything that you have on your phone, so you have to keep that in mind, unless you have a backup of your data, so naturally you will be able to recover that, but without the backup you will just simply lose everything that you have on your phone. If you are ready to perform the factory reset and get the access to the phone back again, first we need to restart our phone. So I'm going to use the power button and volume up button at the same time to open the power menu. And then over here we need to swipe up. Over here we need to move this white circle towards the restart option. And once you restart your phone, you have to press and hold volume down. And now you just have to keep holding the volume down button all the time until you open the recovery mode, which is gonna begin with the language selection, so you will recognize the screen probably. So just keep holding. Even if you see the OPPO logo on this screen, you want to keep holding volume down button. And there we go. Now we have the language selection, so we're gonna choose English over here, and then you can choose the format data option. Now you will have to enter this code that you can see in here. In your case, it's going to be a different code. And once you enter it, you should be able to perform the factory reset. And once you are done, if you go back to the main menu, in case the phone does not restart by itself, then you just want to reboot the phone and you will see the initial configuration again. So that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.